In today's video, we will explore how to fix the red blinking issue on your Samsung Watch charger, along with the potential causes behind this problem. The primary reason for the red blinking light on your Samsung Watch charger is often a malfunctioning charger. This red indicator suggests that the charger is not operating correctly, which could result from an unstable connection or physical damage. Overheating of the charger can also prompt the red blinking light, as can an old and deteriorating battery. To address this issue, several solutions can be considered. If you suspect the battery is old and worn out, replacing it may stop the blinking light. Additionally, checking the connection is crucial. Make sure the charging dock is clean and properly connected to a power outlet. Using a dry, lint-free cloth, clean any debris from the charging dock and the contacts. Inspect the charger for any signs of damage or wear and tear. If it appears damaged, a replacement may be necessary. Another step before purchasing a new charger is to restart your watch to eliminate any software glitches that might be causing the problem. To do this, press and hold the power button and then release it, which might resolve any software issues contributing to the blinking light. That's all for today's tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.